Do you want to be successful in your life? I'll give you one tip. One tip that you can use to give you a fresh start. Write down what is it that you want in your life. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? A lot of people know what they don't want. Isa ka rin ba? Yung mga focus mo ba, yung mga ayaw mo, yung puro problema, puro challenges, puro struggles, ano ba talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay? What is it that you want? You want an abundant life? You want a wealthy life? You want to have great relationships? Why not you write it down and focus kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? That's the first step, knowing what you want in your life. Kasi if you don't know what you want in your life, sayang yung energy mo and the more negativity na papasok sa utak mo. Kasi at the end of the day, hindi mo ginagamit yung utak mo para makuha yung gusto mo sa buhay. But what if this time around, sarili mo na yung unahin mo naman? Write down ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. That's the first step. Now, watch out for more. I'll give you other steps that you can use to help you transform your life. If you want to know about neurolinguistic programming, these are tools and techniques that you can use every day. Sobrang practical siya para matulungan ka sa pinagdadaanan mo. Whatever challenges that you're facing in your life, meron kang tool para siyang martilyo. Just like a carpenter or a doctor, di ba? May mga tools tayo. Dapat pang araw-araw sa buhay natin, may mga tools din tayo na ginagamit to help us and help other people. And we use neurolinguistic programming for that. It's not only used for coaching, for therapy, but we use it in our day-to-day life. How to be better parents, how to be better teachers, how to be better professionals. So if that's one thing that you feel that can benefit you in your life, feel free to reach out. Let's book a 1-hour clarity session and let me help you transform your life.